Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about a company called KRBL Limited, a food processing company in the FMCG sector. About KRBL, let's know about their history. KRBL was incorporated in 1889. In 1947, the company shifted its base from Naya Bazar, Lahori Gate, Delhi. In the early 70s, they restructured their business to focus sharply on rice. In 1985, they started exporting rice directly and capturing the international markets. Few key points about KRBL. With 120 years of heritage, KRBL is the first and the largest integrated rice miller of the country, and most of their producers of rice products, both basmati and non-basmati rice. Further, the company is engaged in production of milling by byproducts like bran oil, furfural, rice brans, and de-oiled cakes. Pioneer of contract farming. KRBL provides high quality seeds to its farming community, helps the technical know-how on best agricultural practices, and facilitates the sourcing of other high quality input materials to the farmers. Through the contract farming technique, the company has the ability to monitor the quality at every stage of their rice production. This is an advantage to the company. Brand portfolio. The company sells rice under its flagship brand India Gate along with the other 13 brands like Taj Mahal, Doon, Nur Jahan, Bemisel and Unity. These are the well-known brands among the others. It has also created a brand presence through collaboration with global retail chains. It has the leadership position and a high market share in several geographies across the globe. Global footprint. KRBL has its product presence not only in India but also across the globe. KRBL exports basmati rice products to 82 countries across the world and leads the basmati rice consuming market in the branded segment. KRBL is the world's largest exporter of basmati rice and 47% of its revenue is derived from exports and the remaining 53% from domestic markets. Next is capacity. KRBL has paddy milling capacity up to 195 metric ton per hour, which is the highest in the world. KRBL also possesses the world's largest rice milling plant in Punjab, spread across 200 acres. Company has established a special 300-hectare seed farm and a seed grading plant. They source breeder seeds from various leading Indian agricultural research institutes. Network. KRBL has 500 plus domestic distributors spread across the nation, and the company has a warehouse of 6 million square feet which is spread across 346 acres of land. Diversification from their current portfolio. With its increasing focus on green manufacturing, KRBL has diversified into renewable energy and has been increasing its capacity. Its current green energy portfolio as of March 31 was 144.84 megawatt. Most of this is consumed by the industry itself. KRBL forayed into the healthy food segment with the launch of nutritionally superior products to include India Gate Sprout Brown Rice, India Gate Chia Seeds, and India Gate Flax Seeds. These are the brands under KRBL, like its flagship brand is India Gate, and other brands are in this image. You can pause the video and know about their brands. These are some more details about KRBL. You can also pause this video and know about the industry's advantages and their various facilities, their overall international spread, etc. Let's talk about their revenue. Major revenue from business. Agricultural business constitutes 97% to their revenue, with almost 90% of their sales comes from rice products. Energy business, which means their renewable energy business, gives 3% to their revenue. And one alarming thing here is the top customer gives 20.77% of their total revenue. This is a double-edged sword where this company has a capacity to increase this percentage of total revenue from this one customer, and this customer can avoid KRBL with in their future businesses. Next is revenue from basmati rice is 88% and non-basmati rice revenue is 12%, which means the company is more dependent on basmati rice business. Next is current strength. Company have reduced debt to a greater extent. Company has a world-class infrastructure and doing R&D continuously to stay in the market. The company also has a very strong background integration through farmland, maintaining a very good farmland relationship with the farmers by giving high yield seeds and other facilities to the farmers. Challenges ahead. This business is a complete climate and seasonal dependent business. Also, due to trade war and COVID-19, companies posting a low international sales, which accounts to a half of the year entire sales. More unorganized players in the market can have low overhead cost and can supply at a very low price, which will affect KRBL sales of basmati rice. Let's talk about their ratios and financials. Market cap of the company is 6025 crore and the debt is 356 crore. Their current reserve is 3669 crores. Current market price of the share is 256 rupees and their book value is 157 rupees. Price to earnings ratio is 10.8 and the industrial PE is 50.5. Due to big players in the market like Nestle, Hindustan Unilever, this industrial PE is way higher. Compounded profit growth for 5 years is 13.8%. Return on equity for 5 years is 19%. Stock price CAGR of 5 years is negative 2% and the compounded sales growth for 5 years is 4%. Yes, with this the video ends. I am happy to hear suggestions from you. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected with my channel to know more about interesting stocks in the market with very low valuation, very low price. Thank you.